Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes Joshua Weissman full guide. Start by gathering ingredients and tools, then we will build a simple batter. I walk you through flour selection, proper mixing technique to avoid overmixing, resting the batter, and the ideal heat for your pan. You will learn flipping technique, how to test doneness, and quick tips for consistent fluffy pancakes every time. Start with a whisk and a bowl, then sift flour with baking powder and salt for even rise. Whisk eggs with milk and melted butter or oil, and fold wet into dry just until combined. Keep some lumps to avoid gluten overdevelopment, which makes pancakes tough. Rest the batter briefly while prepping your pan. This creates air pockets and ensures a tender, fluffy interior with even browning on the outside. Heat your pan and test with a drop of batter to confirm the right temperature. Ladle consistent portions, watch for bubbles to form and edges to set before flipping once. Cook gently to prevent burning and press lightly to release steam for a neater shape. Stack pancakes on a warm plate and add butter or your favorite toppings. Serve immediately for optimal texture and adjust heat if pancakes brown too fast or cook too slowly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.